your promotion to your LinkedIn account on mobile. So on LinkedIn, go to your personal profile, view profile, and we're going to scroll right down till we get to the experience section. To add your promotion, we want to click on the pencil button and we're going to add a position. So this is a promotion. So what we're going to do here is add in an experience, but make sure it's under your current employer. So we're going to keep it on Notify Network so that people are notified about it. And in here, we're going to say what your new experience is. Employment type, contract, company name, and this is where you want to make sure you add in your current employer. So that's my business in here. Don't need to have a location. If you did, you fill all of this in. Start date, let's say 2020. It's not ended yet. I'm not ending any of my other positions. If you wanted to remove your current position there but end it because you've been promoted, then you would click on one of these options. So let's pretend that one there and click on save. Let's just scroll down, put in the description of the new role here, profile headline, add your skills. So for this one, I'll have speaking, public speaking, motivational speaking. Next. And then you can add in a picture of yourself speaking, as click apply, and then everything is there we want. And we're going to click save. And now you can share your current position with your network. So you click next. I'm going to skip that one for now. Put the profile, just double check, come out of it and go back in. Check out your, where's the experience section? So consultant and trainer, podcast, YouTube host, streamer. And here we have contract LinkedIn speaker is showing here. Now, if we wanted to move it, click on the little buttons here and pull that, click on the hamburger and take it right up to here. Click X, okay, review it again, consultant and trainer, LinkedIn speaker. There we go. So we have added the promotion to our profile and we have to put them in order that we'd like to see them on our experience section. Hope you find this useful.